Sometimes old computers just fall apart. Sometimes they have CPU coolers put on them wrong. But sometimes a good scrubby dubby and a little love, we can pick up the pieces, we can put them back together. This Dell XPS 630i, back in its heyday of 2008, was a great mid-range gaming PC with a price tag up around $2,000. Mine, well, hasn't seen any love in a long time, so my price was around $50. Under the thermal paste, I'm hoping to find a Core 2 Extreme that is unlocked. Unfortunately, this is not the quad I was hoping for, so I'll have to dig out a Q9650 I have lying around here somewhere. Taking apart this old Dell is fairly easy, but I'm still cautious not to break anything. I feel the Dell company made some great PCs back in the day that were ahead of their time in the style department. These are some heavy-duty 120mm fans that would clean up just like new, but I have a set of those awesome gem RGB fans that just might give this Dell even more looks. But before I could put them in, I need to make this dirt and smoke smell go away with some good old-fashioned TLC. Don't worry, I'm not getting any electrical components wet. I'm just soaping up some plastics and the CPU cooler. I'll also dry it right away to prevent any rust that may form. Some compressed air can help get out the dirt and debris that may be in the cracks and crevices. And then I'm going to give it a good rubbing alcohol wipe down. The old fans had this rubber anti-vibration rivet holding them in. With these new gem RGB fans that are well balanced and have rubber around the screw holes, it was super easy just to use the supplied screws. I'm also excited about using these fans, but did you know Gem makes PC cases, keyboards, RGB mouse pads, and gaming chairs? Yeah, gaming chairs. I'll show you mine in a little bit later. I'm leaving an Easter egg behind just to say, hey, I've been here. Yeah, I like this machine just as much as you, the future tinkerer. I myself would be amused to pull a motherboard and see this. How about you? Let me know. And then I had to put all the cleaned up pieces back together, and the downside was I wasn't happy with the original motherboard performance, and I had to switch it out for an EVGA 750i SLI. Now about that gym gaming chair, and this is mostly for my neighbors because they're trying to buy this from me as I was putting it together. Mine is not for sale, guys, but you can find one by the link in the description. Thank you. My chair looks like it's a good one. I likes the way it leans backs. It's not always about performance. It's about pride, and pride in knowing you can do this. Happy Easter, everybody.